Hi my beauties, today I thought I'd show you how to best apply eye makeup if you have hooded eyes. So I have older eyes, so my skin above the eyelid is a little loose. So there are some little tricks you can do to mitigate it slightly. I'm going to show you using occasional pencils. Now occasional pencils are one of our plastic-free ranges, almost plastic-free. When you first get the pencil, it comes in a nice point like that. And as you use it more, it becomes more like what I call a cream eyeshadow. I tend to use the dark brown, which is like a chocolate brown, but we also have them in dark grey as well. So I'm deliberately going to use the pointy one today. If you are using this one, what I tend to use is the slanted eyeshadow brush, and I just do that and then I paint it on. So I will start with this. Now, when you've got hooded eyes, the tendency is to go up like that and then apply. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deliberately do that on this side and draw a line. Looks pretty good right now, doesn't it? And then it flops down. On this side, I'm not going to pull up the eyelid at all. I am going to actually draw it on, even though, so you can see already that one has dropped, this one has stayed up. So I'm going to use exactly the same products on both eyes so you can see the difference. Now I always tend to smudge it a little bit. So I will deliberately smudge this side up. I'm going to just bring that up there a little bit. So we'll make it look a little better. And again, the same thing on this side. But this time I'm not going to be lifting on this side. Now the next thing is a trick. It's not a trick. What we want to do is we really want to conceal that loose skin there. And one way of concealing is by making that area darker. So you want to make that area recede. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow here, which is called Peach. Any basic medium to light brown, it works. So I'm going to use my fluffy brush, my fluffy eyeshadow brush, and just dipping it in. Now on this side, I am actually going to cover the whole lid. Again, I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to just cover the whole lid, right inside. On this side, I'm going to do the outer area, and then I'm going to press in or feel the bone. So I'm going above the crease line. I'm not going below, and I'm going above the bone. So you can see here already that has receded, and that just looks even worse because the eyelid itself has now receded even more. Now to bring out the eyelid, I use, this is a blending smudger brush, and I'm going to use a light colour eyeshadow. So this is it's like a bronzy shade here. And I'm just going to paint it on the eyelid itself, especially on the inner part. And that will bring out the eyelid a little bit more. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a nude highlighter, which is a champagne nude. And on this side, I am going to paint underneath the eyebrow, but I'm going to go a little bit lower down. On this side, I'm going to get the same eyeshadow and I'm just going to go just underneath the eyebrow. Now I'm going to get, use this angled brush, and I'm going to get this, it's a very dark eyeshadow, it's actually a brown, almost like a brown eyeliner. And I'm just going to dip that in. And on this side, I'm actually going to paint on the eyelid right next to the, just above the lashes here. And I'm going to come right over and on this side I'm just going to do the outer half, and I'm going to try and get, usually what I will do in this instance, I will actually tight line with the Kajal underneath the upper lashes. And then what I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to go underneath the eyes, and I'm going to go under, and I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to go right across. And on this side, I am just going to go underneath a little bit, about halfway to 3/4. Then the reason why I call this the smudging brush, this one, the smudging brush, is because it acts a little bit like a like an eraser. So if I've got too much product, I can just literally go underneath the area and just sweep it away, just to make it look a little bit more friendly. Now another little trick, I'm going to use the silver highlight. So I think you should be able to see the difference. This eye looks closed in and smaller, whereas this eye looks more expanded. I think I went a little bit too far in with this, but that's okay. But that gives you the concept. So by putting a darker shadow here, not going too far down with the highlighter here, you open up the eye. And especially if you put something light on the lid itself, you will have more of an expanded eye. So I will do some more little tips on different parts of the face, how you can improve your technique. So I hope that this helps, and stay beautiful.